Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. It's been a great year for the crude oil marine shipping industry as inventories drop and geopolitical tensions rise. And with the Federal Reserve expected to announce its first interest rate cut for this cycle in September and the US expected to avoid a recession, investors' optimism is helping drive a broad-based bullish sentiment. And the sentiment is good news for Nordic American Tankers Limited. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol NAT, a marine shipping firm that calls itself the Dividend Company. John?
Yeah, thanks, Bill. Nordic American Tanker acquires and charters double-hull tankers in Bermuda and internationally. Currently operates a fleet of 20 Suez crude oil tankers. In fact, it only has Suezmaxes in its fleet. Suez tankers are a medium-sized oil tanker, larger than an Aframax, but smaller than VLCCs. They're also the largest ship, though, that can transit the Suez Canal, and that's the artificial waterway that connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. Now, Suez tankers are around 900 feet long and have a capacity of 120,000 to 200,000 deadweight tons. As an oil tanker, that means they can carry around 800,000 to more than 1 million barrels of oil. They're also primarily used on long-haul routes like trips from Saudi Arabia to the United States.
As expected, it reported solid first quarter results.
Yeah, Nordic American Tanker reported solid first quarter with total net voyage revenue inching up 2.2% on a sequential basis to $60.5 million. Net profits, meanwhile, came in at $15.1 million or 7 cents per share. And that's down slightly from 8 cents per share in the previous quarter. The total daily time charter equivalent rate average was $33,570 per ship. The daily operating costs per ship are about $9,000. Now, that number is the overall total time charter equivalent or TCE rate. The daily TCE rate for the spot market in the first quarter was higher at $34,320, and currently 16 of its 20 vessels are in the spot market. Nordic American Tankers also has one of the lowest debt levels among publicly traded tanker companies and ended the quarter with cash equivalents of, I think it was around $45.95 million.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. They were offering a free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, management has said that the dividends are their top priority.
Yeah, emphasizing dividends are top priority. The company declared its 107th consecutive quarterly dividend in May. The company paid out a first quarter dividend of 12 cents per share, and that works out to 48 cents per share on an annual basis for a current forward yield of 13.19%.
And finally, how is NAT stock doing?
Well, it could certainly be better. Despite steady earnings and robust outlook, Nat Stock has not fared as well. As of this recording, NAT stock is down approximately 9% year to date and 4% year over year. Now, while NAT stock is in the red for the year, the outlook is a little more encouraging, with Wall Street analysts providing a 12-month share price target range of $4.50 to as high as $11 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Nordic American Tankers Limited owns one of the largest fleet of Suezmax tankers in the world. It has a strong balance sheet and is reporting solid earnings, and outlook remains robust. And why? The world is not short of political uncertainty, and industry analysts do not see them going away anytime soon. Demand for oil remains high with the fragmented trade picture and tight supply of ships for the next several years. All of this is good news for both short-term and long-term outlook for Nordic American tankers. After all, when there is limited supply of ships, rates generally go up. And as a general rule, as rates go up, earnings are higher, which results in higher dividends. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.